I went through the 3-year program. It was one of the best decisions I've ever made. And after I was done with the program, speaking with Cecil, I told him, I said, I still want to remain engaged with you. I mean, you have a lot to offer that we could use, and I still want to be a part. So that's when he suggested that I join one of the groups, in which I did. So it's a great program, both the 3-year program as well as the groups. You have other shop owners as part of being a group that can help you, and in turn you can help them as well from your experiences. So I strongly suggest it if you need help, and even if you don't, it's no secret that many successful people, especially well-known athletes and whatnot, will have personal coaches to help them get the goals they need, and coaching really does work. I think for the most part, supporting my goals through being involved with the gear performance groups has just helped me keep on task, right? And make sure that we continually push the bar to be better every day. If you're a shop owner that wants to really make your operation the best it can be, get the help, get the training, just do it.